नमस्ते, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल। वेलकम टू माय चैनल बेस्ट लर्नर। मेरा नाम है पवन कुमार। मैं बेसिकली एक मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर हूँ। मैं साइंस बेस्ड एजुकेशनल रिलेटेड वीडियोस बनाता रहता हूँ जो सिर्फ और सिर्फ साइंस और इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट्स के लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल है। और मैं जितना हो सके उतना कॉन्सेप्ट ईजी वे में समझाने की कोशिश करता हूँ ताकि आप सबको कॉन्सेप्ट इजीली समझ में आ सके। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नहीं हो तो फटाफट लाइक सब्सक्राइब शेयर कर दो ताकि आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहे। So today I'm going to explain about 4-stroke petrol engine. It's one of the type of internal combustion engine. 4-stroke petrol engine is nothing but it is a process of combustion of this petrol in order to rotate the crankshaft to get the vehicle momentum with the help of 4 different strokes, that is intake stroke, compression stroke, power stroke, exhaust stroke. Let's discuss about basic construction of 4-stroke petrol engine. 4-stroke petrol engine consists of a cylinder which consists of a piston and it is connected to the crankshaft. The crankshaft is connected to the wheel of the vehicle. When crankshaft rotates in 360 degree, then because of this rotation, wheel of the vehicle is also rotates in 360. Because of that, our vehicle moves in a forward direction. Vehicle gets the momentum. And there is a 2 valves are present within the engine. Those are intake valve and exhaust valve. Intake valve is present at the inlet section of the 4-stroke engine and exhaust valve is present at the outlet section of the petrol engine. Here through intake valve, air and petrol mixture will come inside the cylinder, and whatever gases are liberated after the combustion of petrol, those gases will be removed out from the exhaust valve. And there is a spark plug present which ignites the petrol when the petrol is under compression stroke. The upper section of the engine is called as top dead center, that is denoted as TDC, and the bottom section of the engine is called as bottom dead center, that is denoted by BDC. When the piston moves from the top dead center to the bottom dead center, then it completes the 1 stroke. This is all about construction of the 4-stroke petrol engine. Now I will explain about working principle of 4-stroke petrol engine. When the vehicle is under momentum, then piston moves from the top dead center to the bottom dead center. Because of this momentum of piston, there is a vacuum created within the cylinder which sucks the air and petrol mixture inside the cylinder. During that time, intake valve will be opened and exhaust valve will be closed. Because of this momentum of piston, crankshaft take its first half rotation, that is 180 degrees. In case of compression stroke, the crankshaft is already in momentum, so because of that it will continue for the next half cycle. So because of that, the piston moves from the bottom dead center to the top dead center. In that time, intake valve and exhaust valve will be closed and petrol will be compressed in between piston and the cylinder. So it is called as compression stroke. The compression ratio is around 1/8 of its original volume. Now, in case of power stroke, the petrol will be compressed for the maximum value inside the engine. Spark plug releases the spark which ignites the petrol. So because of combustion of this petrol, it generates a lot of force inside the cylinder which pushes the piston again from the top dead center to the bottom dead center. Crankshaft completes this next half cycle. In case of exhaust stroke, crankshaft is already in the momentum, so it will continue for the next half cycle. Then piston again moves from the top dead center to the top dead center. During that time, after the combustion of this petrol, there will be gases liberated and which is present within the cylinder. So those, because of momentum of this piston, those gases will be removed out from the exhaust gas valve. During this process, intake valve will be closed and exhaust valve will be opened. And this exhaust valve will be connected with the silencer of the bike, so this all gases will be removed out from the silencer of the vehicle. So after that, this process again continue from the intake stroke.
A 4-stroke engine, the type of motor found in most automobiles, uses 4 strokes in its power cycle: intake, compression, power, and exhaust. During the intake stroke, a descending piston sucks in an air and fuel mixture through an intake valve. The valve closes and the piston rises, compressing the air and fuel to an explosive level. The power stroke begins just before the piston reaches the top, when the spark plug ignites this mixture. The resulting explosive force pushes the piston down, which turns the crankshaft. In the last stroke, the exhaust valve opens, the piston rises, pushing out the burned gases, until at the top of its stroke, the exhaust valve closes. The intake valve then opens, and the four-stroke cycle begins again.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can message me on my Instagram. My Instagram ID is PawanVB, and you can also put your doubts, and I will definitely clarify all your doubts. So let's meet on next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.